Here's how to add heartbeat effects in Premiere Pro. Go to your project panel and right-click. Select New Item, then Color Matte. Choose the color red and click OK. Now drag it above your clip on the timeline. Extend its duration to match your clip length. Then go to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for opacity. Change the value to 0%. Move your timeline slider to where you want the heartbeat to begin. Click the keyframe button, move ahead one frame and change opacity to 20%. Then move ahead 3 more frames and change opacity back to 0. Now, moving ahead 3 more frames and changing opacity to 20%. Then 3 more frames back to 0. Navigate back to the first 20% opacity keyframe. Highlight your video clip and go to Effect Controls. Click the stopwatch icon next to Scale and set the value to 115. Move ahead 3 frames and change scale to 100. Then move ahead 3 more frames and change scale back to 115. Finally, move ahead 3 more frames and set scale back to 100.